फेलोज के लिए कराई जाने वाली कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग वर्कशॉप्स हो या डे टू डे जो टास्क हैं उनमें डेटा ड्रिवन एनालिसिस हो, रिसर्च हो, पॉलिसी फ्रेमवर्क पे काम हो या फिर ईआर के साथ इंटरेक्शन हो, डिफरेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स के साथ इंटरेक्शन, सभी कुछ हमें एक इंक्लूसिव पॉलिसी बनाने के लिए या फिर उसको कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, इसमें हम बेटर काम कैसे कर सकते हैं, इससे रिलेटेड कुछ ना कुछ सिखाने वाला ही होता है। अगर बात करें उत्तर प्रदेश की तो प्रजा फाउंडेशन उत्तर प्रदेश में नॉलेज पार्टनर के रूप में नगर विकास विभाग के साथ भी काम करता है, जिसकी वजह से मुझे निजी तौर पर उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार के साथ काम करने का एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन अनुभव मिला, जिसके तहत मैंने नगर विकास से संबंधित विभिन्न पॉलिसीज पर और अलग अलग डेटा पर काम किया, जिसके लिए ड्राफ्टिंग से लेके बेसिक रिसर्च, अलग अलग स्टेट्स के साथ पॉलिसी कंपैरिजन हो या फिर किसी अन्य सिटी में बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस जो हैं सभी पे मैं रिसर्च कर पाया, जिसमें प्रजा टीम का पूरी तरीके से योगदान था।
फेलोशिप एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी इनरिचिंग था। फ्रॉम ओरिएंटेशन टू वर्कशॉप्स, एट ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप प्रजा helped he gain clarity and confidence on technical understanding of urban governance. Conducted capacity building workshop for councillors in कानपुर, गोरखपुर, लखनऊ and वाराणसी, जहां हमने उन्हें डिफरेंट एक्टिविटी बेस्ड बजट इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड टाउन प्लानिंग के ऊपर एक डिस्कशन दिया। My key learnings were analytical thinking, clarity in communication, and understanding the importance of data in urban governance. As this journey comes to an end, I feel prepared, grateful, and motivated to continue contributing in public system. ये सफ़र मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगा।
प्रजा फाउंडेशन के साथ काम करके मुझे अच्छा लगा। I applied for प्रजा to understand the good governance fellowship because I wanted to move beyond the theory and experience on governance on the ground level, working closely with municipal finance, state government, and working with ERs give me invaluable exposure to how decisions made and implemented. Thank you.
To me, good governance actually means maintaining accountability and transparency throughout and making decisions that actually is based upon people's choice and needs and on the databases. In city governance, for me, the good governance title goes to the municipal bodies working efficiently. Efficiently, if I say, utilizing public resources and also making citizens the active participation of governance. Praja Fellowship, because this fellowship stood out as an opportunity to work with the elected representatives and the municipal bodies itself. For me, working with the municipal bodies was a new experience after all. So I decided to join and go for this fellowship. Since Praja Foundation is not just about researching about the problems, it also enables solutions through data-driven advocacy. My major contribution, if I say, was the major chunk of my contribution was the analysis of 17 municipal corporation last 6 years budget. We conducted this analysis and then we also had a consultation in which we gave that round table conference sort of setup to the CSOs, that is the civil society organization, to the admins, that is the municipal admin officers, and to the councillors and the mayor also. So it was basically a common room for everyone to actually discuss the fiscal problems and the budgetary issues that we came across during our fiscal analysis.
मेरे लिए गुड गवर्नेंस का मतलब है जहाँ पे सिटी गवर्नमेंट ट्रांसपेरेंसी और अकाउंटेबिलिटी दिखाए और सिटीजन्स एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करें, because I want to be there in the development sector and SDG is one of the important part of it. And SDG 11, which is exclusively for sustainable cities and communities, I believe through this fellowship I came to know the ground reality of that SDG 11. My experience with Praja was full of a train journey where in every stop I came to know about different experiences, about new connections, be it from ER workshops in Kanpur to UG consultation in Lucknow to Praja Tantra in Mumbai. It was a journey full of connection, full of experiences and full of city governance, ground reality.
My experience in Praja Foundation has been surreal and very practical, the orientation that Praja took helped me to know more about constitution and budgetary process and more about the 74th Constitutional Amendment Act. And I also, while analyzing the fiscal documents of the various municipal corporations, we converted the analytical and data into more refined ones, so that we could gain insights and help the corporations to manage their budget and improve their finances. My contribution in this fellowship was that during the analysis of the budget documents, I learned how to recat them according to National Municipal Accounting Manual, and I helped not only in Uttar Pradesh but also a few cities from Maharashtra and helped the team to recategorize those. Along with this, I also helped. I was also one of the coordinators for while we were communicating about Prajatantra to various colleges across India, and through the effort of my team, we were able to register multiple teams from the zone which I was given the responsibility of.